Charuta. Welcome back to Urja Wellness and Joy. Today I am so happy to introduce you all to my another deck. Alright, so I've made another deck which is called Financial Abundance Angel Guidance Deck, and this deck comprises 44 cards. And I've been using this deck in my professional readings with my clients, and this deck has been giving me amazing results. So I just thought of making general guidance angel card reading video using this my new deck. Okay, so here we go. So guys, this is my new deck and I have used my old visiting cards again. Each card has unique message which I channeled from the angels and the universe to help all of us attract financial abundance. Alright, so now let's start off with the reading. As always, you have got three options: hearts, butterflies and stars. So I'll give you a few moments to choose your option, and I'll be shuffling cards in front of the camera. All right, so just take few deep breaths and pray to angels or to the universe. Can you please help me choose right option? I would really love to receive a message from you. Please help me right now. All those who selected option number 1, let's check what guidance angels would like to give you to attract financial abundance. I'm just shuffling these cards. Universe angels, can you please help me pick right cards for all those who selected option number 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. So you got windfall gains. Wow. And then another message is gift yourself self-care activities. And third message is don't be a miser, spend happily. Sorry. Okay, let me explain you these messages. So the first message is windfall gains. It is quite self-explanatory. So you're gonna soon be blessed with a stroke of luck, and you're gonna receive money from unexpected sources. Please do not hesitate to receive it. Okay, whatever amount that you're going to receive, okay, just receive with gratitude. All right, and you must take this amount, be it a small amount or a big amount, just take it and receive it as a blessing, because angels and universe, they are sending their blessings by making these kind of opportunities available for you. All right. Second message is don't be a miser, spend happily. So guys, if you have purchased any products or availed any kind of a services, please do not delay your payments. Please ensure that you're making payments on time. You guys have your preferences. You guys clearly have your priorities, rather likings. You think that it is okay to spend on certain things and it is not absolutely okay to spend on other things. So for example, I can spend thousands of rupees when it comes to books, angel cards, tarot cards. I can buy dozens of books and card decks, but when it comes to spending same amount of money on accessories or jewelries, I tend to cringe. I feel, oh my god, it is not priority. But what happens is that, what if that product or that service is really have a capacity to give you happiness, or it can really add value to your life. So at that time, please do not consciously hold yourself back. Please do not hoard your money at that time. Okay, just be happy, just be willing to spend money because it is necessary, because it is important, or because it can give you happiness. All right, it can give you satisfaction, it can add value in your life. So please, that time, please do not hoard money. Okay, please spend happily. You guys have your preferences. You guys clearly have your priorities, rather likings. You think that it is okay to spend on certain things and it is not absolutely okay to spend on other things. So for example, I can spend thousands of rupees when it comes to books, angel cards, tarot cards. I can buy dozens of books and card decks, but when it comes to spending same amount of money on accessories or jewelries, I tend to cringe. I feel, oh my god, it is not priority. But what happens is that, what if that product or that service is really have a capacity to give you happiness, or it can really add value to your life. So at that time, please do not consciously hold yourself back. Please do not hoard your money at that time. Okay, just be happy, just be willing to spend money because it is necessary, because it is important, or because it can give you happiness. All right, it can give you satisfaction, it can add value in your life. So please, that time, please do not hoard money. Okay, please spend happily. Angels would like you to understand that beneath the act of holding your money, there is a energy of insecurity. So the moment you hold that energy in your aura, in your mind, in your thoughts, and in your feelings, all right, you ask more of it. You think that in future, money won't be available for me. Whenever I need money, I don't believe that it would be available for me when I need it in the future. So it is better for me to save it right now. It is better for me to hoard that money right now. So it is total lack mentality, lack consciousness. All right, and please understand that law of attraction is working behind the scenes 24/7. Okay, so if you're holding the energies of insecurity, you're asking that I would like to experience more of insecurity, please. So universe will make sure that every time you land up in a situations where you are going to feel insecure, right? So please, angels would really like you to change your mindset. All right, so guys, please do not hoard money at the cost of your joy, happiness, peace, and comfort. Third message is gift yourself and self-care activities. I would like to give example of my dad. If he's choosing any product for gifting purpose, he would not even look at the price, and he will rather ensure that the quality of the product is good, and he will definitely choose an expensive stuff. But when it comes to buying same product for himself, he will go like, no, I don't even require it. I can choose something else. So angels and universe would love you to understand that. Okay, it is important for you to gift yourself. It is important for you to receive as well. Okay, it is important for you to spend some money for your happiness, for your joy, for your peace of mind. Okay, or just because it is important, because that act will make you feel good about yourself. Another message which is coming through is, angels would like you to understand that it is not only important, but it is absolutely necessary for you all to spend money in self-care activities. All right, so self-care activities are any activities which are giving peace, joy, and satisfaction to your body, mind, and soul. So for me, body massages, hair spa, reading books, these all are self-care activities. But yes, it happens, at times I think, oh my god, why to spend so much amount of money in receiving massages. Okay, so I feel it is important for my body, I kind of hesitate to spend money, right? So that time I have to literally consciously remind myself, no Charita, it is important. You not only have to take out time, but you shouldn't hesitate to spend money on these activities. All right, I would like to share how I deal with hesitation of spending money. So whenever I make payments, be it 10 rupees, 100 rupees, 1000 rupees, I always activate an intention saying, universe, you intervene and you please create a situation where this amount is getting multiplied by 1000, and that amount is coming back in my life with total ease. So so whenever I'm activating that intention, it kind of takes the pressure off. I do not go into the insecure zone. Oh my god, I'm losing my money is moving out of my life. No, in fact, I have that confidence, or I have that childlike wonderment that, oh wow, yes, this money is going to come back in my life. So that's it for all those people who chose option number one. Please do subscribe to my channel. Please share my videos with your friends and family members. And please do not forget to drop your comments in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye. All those selected option number 2. Let's check messages for you. I'm shuffling the cards. Dear universe, dear angels, can you please help me pick right cards for people who chose this option? Beautiful butterflies. So here we go. First card. Second one. Shuffle. Angels, help me pick right card. And here we go. So these are your cards, and now let's check messages one by one. First message is very clear: time to expand your activities and you're ready for the next level. So guys, angels are clearly giving you green signal that please go ahead and invest your money right now. Okay, invest in yourself, invest in your business, invest in your projects. Okay, so for example, if you're an artist, so definitely you would require money to purchase your material tools, colors, papers and everything. So definitely it does cost a huge amount of money, but angels are telling you that somewhere deep down that your projects have just started kicking off. All right, so this is a perfect time for you to put in more amount of money in your project. Okay, so please do not hesitate to spend, rather please do not consider this as an expenses. Okay, consider this as an investment, because it is absolutely necessary, because in long term, whatever this investment is going to yield amazing results. So for example, if you are if you're a corporate employee, okay, so angels are clearly telling you that you're ready for the next level. So definitely it's time for you to upskill. So please do not hesitate to spend money if you want to get any certification done, if you want to study further, or if you want to attend any workshops or do some courses or something like that. All right, so please guys, please please do not hesitate to spend at this point in time. Please spend money on things, on activities which would add value to your life. Messages, gifts, inheritance and wealth creation. So crux of this message is you're going to receive money from third party. So for example, if you're a corporate employee, so do please check with your companies. They might be interested in sponsoring your certification or education, right? So some of you might receive money as a gift from family members, from friends. Okay, some of you might inherit money and wealth from your family, from your parents. Third message is the law of attraction and money. So angels and universe would like you to get this concept that money is an energy. Okay, please study law of attraction and please try to understand how the law of attraction works when it comes to your financial situation. Okay, so we all are aware about the law of attraction, ask, believe, receive. So law of attraction states that, so whatever thoughts, feelings and emotions we hold in our minds, okay, they start becoming our reality. So it's time for you to introspect and identify what are your beliefs about money. So for example, if you believe that I never receive money when I really need it, so definitely so shall be true for you. Okay, because this is what you believe so strongly. All right, but if you hold a positive belief about money, for example, okay, money has never been a problem in my life, and whenever I need money, somebody shows up, friend, family member, they always help me, or I totally believe on my abilities to attract money, to create money. I really believe that I deserve to receive more. Okay, so if your beliefs are positive, so shall your financial reality be. All right, but if your beliefs are negative, then definitely you're gonna struggle when it comes to topic of money. All right, so please take out time, and again please be willing to spend money to learn about law of attraction. You can buy books, you can watch videos. Okay, and please try to understand how the law of attraction works when it comes to the topic of money. All right, so guys, yes, those were the messages for All those of you who chose option number 2, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please drop comments, I just love to read your comments. Okay, let me know if you could resonate with this reading or not. Thank you. Bye bye. All those who selected option number 3, let's check messages for you all. I'm shuffling cards in front of the camera. Angels, universe, can you please help me to pick right cards and help me pass right message to all those wonderful people who chose option number 3. So here we go. First card, second, and third. Alright, now let's check messages one by one. New source of income is now opening up. Wow. Let your investments grow. Long-term benefits. Alright. Detach from outcome. Service-oriented approach will work. Alright. So let me explain you all these messages. First message is, let your investments grow. Long-term benefits. So it is not time for you to exit from your investments. Please have patience. All right, because in long term your all investments are gonna yield fantastic returns. All right, so if you, for example, if you are into some kind of a financial trouble, and if you want to sell your property, or you want to liquidate any asset of yours, okay, it is not a right time, because angels and universe would really like to give you assurance that in long run, okay, your asset or your investments are going to give you amazing returns. Okay, so it is beneficial for you if you choose not to exit, not to sell right now. Second message is, new source of income is now opening up. Wow, this itself is a self-explanatory, but let me help you understand. For example, if you're already into business, okay, so angels would like to know that there are new business opportunities are getting now lined up for you. So there are chances that eventually you'll be handling multiple businesses. Okay, if you are a salaried person, and if you are into full-time job, okay, angels are encouraging you to start something part-time. Okay, I mean as a side income, because that opportunities are literally lining up for you. Okay, so please do not hesitate to venture into any sort of projects which would really give you option to earn money. All right, so and yes, please also do not worry that how will I be able to manage so many projects, multiple activities. Angels are saying that you'll be blessed with energy, enthusiasm, and you'll be able to handle everything. Okay, but these opportunities which are now opening up for you can literally bring abundance, financial abundance in your life. Okay, not only that, but these opportunities will give you a lot of satisfaction and peace of mind. So please take some action and work on it. Third message is, detach from outcome. Service oriented approach will work. All right, so for example, if you're a corporate employee, you have been putting a lot of efforts, and if you think that my efforts are not being acknowledged, or forget about appreciation, but at least how about I receiving money, I receiving some kind of a compensation, it be it overtime or bonus or incentive, whatever it is. So angels are encouraging you to focus on your work. Please stay detached from the outcome. Okay, even though you think that you must receive it, fine, eventually you're going to receive it. But what happens, while working, you keep thinking about it. Oh my god, I haven't received yet, I haven't received that payment, appreciation, acknowledgement, incentive, promotion, whatever it is that you are seeking. Okay, especially in monetary terms. Okay, angels are encouraging you to stay detached from the outcome. If you're self-employed, if you have your businesses. Okay, again, so whatever project that you are currently working on, you need to detach yourself from the outcome. If it is making you happy, okay, okay, please continue to put in time, energy and efforts. Okay, money will come eventually, but while working, while taking efforts, if you keep thinking about the money, okay, okay, it will just drain you out. That's the reason angels are encouraging you to have service oriented approach. Okay, service oriented approach means, how can I serve this client in much better manner? How can I what value can I add to this project? If you start thinking on those lines, all right, immediately, rather automatically, it becomes easy for you to stay detached from the outcome. All right, guys, these were the messages for all those people who chose option number 3. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please share my videos with your friends and family members. Please like my videos, and do not forget to post comments in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.